Check out our newest update. This is a highly requested update that's going to allow you to add in single line forms without any fancy coding. They're just a easy to insert single line form. This feature is going to allow you to create sleek single row input forms, enhancing visual appeal and usability of forms for all of your prospects, clients, and leads. This is a highly requested feature update. This is going to streamline your form design because now you can create those very beautiful, simple, and popular single line form inputs. It's also going to allow you to customize that layout. Now, when you're designing your forms, you can choose between that single column, two column, or anything similar. This is a feature that is very popular, and we're excited to be able to bring this forward within the system. It's also going to give you flexible field width. So similar to all of our other forms, you're going to be able to add that custom percentage on how wide you want that form to be. Now, when your business needs to collect minimal information, which honestly makes it easier for people to opt in, now you can add a simple email sign up that is just a beautiful, elegant, single line form that's going to make that process seamless and also visually appealing. Let me show you exactly where this is located. Because it's a form, this is going to be under Sites in the left-hand navigation. Then in the upper navigation, you want to go to Forms, and you're going to click on Add a Form, or if need be, you can also edit something you already have. Now, once there, you're going to go ahead and access the Style and Options link in the upper right-hand corner as indicated on my screen. From there, you're going to see the new single line option under Styles. Now, here is what that single line form is going to look like. Of course, you are going to personalize that to your specific website or your funnel, and it's going to be easy to customize just like forms in the past. This feature enhances form design flexibility as well as visual appeal, making it easier for your business to collect information efficiently. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.